My name is Eric Spencley, and this is not your typical woodworking channel that's gonna put you to sleep. I started woodworking in the parking lot of my apartment, and to be completely transparent, I have no formal training.
Kid can't even read.
Two.
But that hasn't stopped me from bringing all of my ideas to life. In each video, I'll walk you step by step through a project. So now with all of the glue cured on these blanks here, we're gonna run them through the planer again. Give you helpful tips along the way. I'll quickly mark the surface up with a pencil and then sand everything off to make sure that I get it nice and smooth and don't gouge the wood. Provide full PDF plans and SketchUp files for you to download. Those plans have detailed drawings, step-by-step instructions, helpful tips, and contain everything you need to be successful at building this coffee table for yourself in full color. And because I like to keep it real, I'll show you all my mistakes along the way.
I completely shattered the leg.
So if you would like to follow me on my journey of turning my passion in life into my full-time career, consider subscribing to my channel. And yes, there will be bad jokes. Lots of bad jokes. See you on the next one.